I'm logged on as a nurse, viewing the observations for Carol on a mobile device such as a tablet or phone, as captured from the Hill-Ron vital signs devices. The summary observations and associated scores are easily identified by colour, for example red equals 3 and orange equals 2. Note that additional observations are available. Upon save, this will display the new score of 5 and an arrow indicator to highlight an increase or decrease on the previous score. The clinical advice is linked to this score and displayed at the top. This is configurable to meet local protocols. Based on the score of 5, a number of tasks and notifications will be created and sent to the recipients as determined by the escalation pathway. The escalation flow is fully configurable and includes the ability to set an unacknowledged and/or overdue escalation time periods. So we have one task that requires additional observations every 60 minutes, which can be edited to be more frequent if required, with the addition of fluid balance to be done also. Note, there is a toggle to add in further observations such as neurological and neurovascular if required, and this requirement can be set as part of configuration and set as mandatory if needed. Next, we have two clinical notifications. The first is a discretionary escalation to the critical care outreach team, which can be activated if needed based on role rights. Second, we have the clinical escalation itself, which will be pinged to the FY2 and the nurse in charge. The ability to suppress is also an option where the clinical condition warrants that a notification need not be sent. The acknowledgement activates the tasks and notifications which are pinged to the recipient's devices. The table is populated with the last set of observations. Next, we will look at how the recipient review tasks once they have logged on. The mobile landing page shows the number of uncompleted tasks. We can click on the task tile and we see a list of tasks awaiting our attention, with the most recent displaying here. Clicking on this will take us to the patient task list where we can start the process again at the allotted time.